My dear buddies, it has been a hot summer here in Hyderabad, and as usual, I have been busy in my life doing productive things. However, unfortunately, my motorcycles have been neglected and they have been sitting there and gathering dust and also some amount of rust. The paint has faded, especially off my Interceptor 650's tank, and that hurts. So, welcome to another motorcycle care tip video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to love your motorcycle's paint, how to take care of your motorcycle, especially when there's a lot of dust and muck on it. Well, the biggest mistake which we all do is, generally we simply ask the watchman of our building to go and clean up our motorcycle. Never do that. That is a sin. And moreover, we also do a few more mistakes which completely destroys the paint of our motorcycle. And I'm going to be showing that to you in this video. So let's start.
And the worst thing to do to your motorcycle's paint is panic and start to immediately clean it up without planning. Like you see here, most of the people would simply take a piece of cloth and start to dust their motorcycle's tank and rub it with a piece of cloth. This is disastrous. This will put additional scratches onto the tank and will spoil the paint. Never do that. You should actually follow this process. Planning is everything and patience is very important. Take a piece of sponge, brand new sponge, clean one, take a mug and take a car shampoo or a motorcycle shampoo. Both are very similar and both of them work really well. In this case, I am testing Moto Max car shampoo and I so far have absolutely loved this. And then dip the sponge into it. Now, this part is very important. Basically, we don't want the dust or sand which is on the tank to scratch the tank. So the sponge should be completely wet and then nicely run it over the tank and other parts of the motorcycle. So this way we will not be scratching the motorcycle's paint. And this also feels really satisfying to take care of your own motorcycles. And now simply take clean fresh water and pour it over the tank so that the shampoo gets washed out. And now take a microfiber cloth. Wiping the tank of your motorcycle or other parts of your motorcycle require a good, nice, soft cloth and preferably a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloth absorbs way more moisture and water than a normal cloth. Now at this point, you need to give some love to your motorcycle. So I have been testing Moto Max polish and cream. I bought this from Amazon and you actually get a complete kit of Moto Max products for about 750 rupees, which is very economical considering you get about 5 different products. I gotta check how many products, but yeah. Okay, so now you have the sponge inside, nice round sponge. Apply some amount of this cream onto the sponge, the polish, the cream, whatever you call it, and then nicely polish your tank. That is, apply this cream over the tank in a nice circular motion. Wow, I mean, I love this. Taking care of your own motorcycle is such a meditating experience. And keep doing this till the time you see this nice creamy kind of a layer all over the tank. And again, don't apply too much pressure. Now at this point, take a microfiber cloth again and nicely rub it all over your tank. You see that? Wow! Already a beautiful glossy shine has started to appear over the tank. This Moto Max cream polish doesn't just shine the tank or the paint of your motorcycle, but also provides a nice protective layer so that when dust or sand or anything falls onto the paint of your motorcycle, it will actually get protected by a layer which has been created by this polish. Do not apply this polish onto the seat of your motorcycle because you need some level of friction from the seat to your body when you sit on the seat.
Thanks for watching, buddies. I hope you liked this video. These tips may look very easy and simple. However, 99% of us don't follow them and end up destroying the paint of our motorcycles. So, stay tuned. Do subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, and I will keep making more motorcycle and car tip videos. Thank you. And the link to buy Moto Max products are in the description of this video. Bye-bye.